we need a skate park here, you know. Little Jessie now, she's 8 and she's rolling around.
First and foremost, it's a community space, so local kids, parents can come here, sit down, some sandwiches, chill out on a Sunday afternoon.
This is the proposed site, and it would be great for it to go ahead as was planned, you know. It is a skate park, it's not just a ramp, which then enables, you know, smaller children to be able to learn and roll and gain experience, and then they can get in the bowls and on the ramps.
It's a safe space where young kids can come, rather than being on the road in front of traffic, they can come into a formalised design space that perhaps they've had involvement with.
There's an area that can cater for more than just one skater at a time, and for all levels, abilities and ages.
An exciting progressive space that is built into the land, is pleasing to look at, and pulls people in from communities beyond perhaps Swansea and further afield.
We have to travel to go anywhere for any of those facilities, apart from Exist obviously, which is a great indoor facility. Aberdare has one, Monmouth, Porthcawl, which we went today, Haverfordwest, you know, just to name but a few. So yeah, it's about time we had one really, eh?
Really didn't expect such an amazing turnout, but it's here and everyone's having fun. It was like Mumbles Fest yesterday. The community at large. Really hope this goes through for the skate park. We really need it.
I feel quite passionate about it, and I'm very driven to kind of ensure that, you know, these facilities are provided for them.